Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to True Boost, and today we're here at a good friend, Desmond. He's from Drift Masters and you've probably seen him on the channel drifting the E30. It is absolutely amazing. Let me actually show you guys that. Yeah, today is Lexus Day because next weekend we're going to be at Rock Mania with the Lexus. We've got a few cool things lined up for the car before the event. Today, however, we are looking for that nasty exhaust leak that you guys have heard in previous videos. And yeah, today we're going to see if we can find it and maybe do something a little spicy, just so that we could hear this 100 horsepower 1G a little bit more. But stay tuned for today's video. It's going to be super sick. Thank you once again. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for an amazing video. Okay, so just started the car. Didn't record that, but we did find the leak. So if you look right under there, just before the secondary cats, well, the whole pipe there, just before that, on this piece, underneath that cover, it sounds like there's a leak under there. So we are going to strip that and take the outer casing off and then see where the hole is, see if we can weld that up, and then we're actually going to be taking the cat out and just putting a straight pipe through, because I want to hit the straight six. It's going to sound good. But yeah, let's get it. How badly this thing is rusted on here. Oof. That's a rusty boy.
That's a rusty boy, dude. Let's see. This has to come off. This has to go straight into there. They call the grinder.
Jeez. See where she is? Rusted. And a whole lot of things that we don't need. This thing is so heavy as well. How much do you think this thing weighs, dude? Like,
Jesus, this fucking must be heavy, dude.
It's on selfie mode now.
yeah.
How does it work? Oh, you have to turn it
Oh,
around.
the negative is unplugged. You put it on, please, dude.
Oh, you forgot the negative, eh?
Negative, bro.
Wait, it's not lekker.
I got new terminals.
Okay. Yeah, just to get that shit out.
Sweet.
Lekker.
Lekker, man.
Sounds loud, dude.
That's loud, eh? 1 GFE power, dude. Sick. Dude, when you just giggle, that's when you know it's good.
Okay.
Okay, so we just mocked it up now. We cut 2 straight pieces and we used the bend from the original placement of where the O2 sensor is. And yeah, now this is going to do the handiwork that I'm yet to learn. But yeah, this is what it's looking like now. It's all for grassroots, guys. It's all for grassroots. We're just out here trying to have fun, trying to go sideways. And yeah, if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because once we are done, and we checked that there's no leaks. Sorry, the GoPro's battery died on me, but yeah, once we are here, you're gonna hear the first startup. I'm gonna throw in a clip for comparison of what it used to sound like when I got it and it had the cat and the box in versus what it's gonna sound like now. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be so sick. See you guys soon. Okay, so we got the exhaust in. As you guys can see, maybe you can see, maybe you can't. We got the exhaust on. We just had to seal the front part of where the exhaust goes on, because there was what looks like a gasket of some kind like this. Hopefully it won't leak through, but if it does, then we'll just go and get some of these and put them on. But yeah, we're gonna let the silicone set and then get the first start and see how it sounds, and if it leaks, I'm so keen. Stay tuned. Yo, good evening everyone. So I'm gonna put you guys behind the car. We just had to let the gasket stuff set. So yeah, the exhaust is right here. I'm gonna put it down and get a first start. So yeah, straight pipe, almost straight pipe, Lexus Is200. Let's go. Dude, it sounds like a E30, like a stock E30. Almost. Listen to that thing. It sounds so good. So fucking good, man. Cheers, man.
Cheers, boy.
Oh yeah.
That's got a good idle, dude.
It does, dude.
Oh, it hits you.
It's got,
you, dude.
And it's because it's, I think it being a straight 6, 2 liter, it's still got a little growl to it, dude. Props to Toyota, dude, 100%. I can't wait to hear the VVT. Good morning, everyone. It is now the next day. It is Sunday morning, and that is why I look the way I do. It's cold winter's day, so I thought that it would be only appropriate to show you guys, and for me to also experience for the first time, a true cold start with the new DIY exhaust. So yeah, I think that's a great way to end the video. I think I'm gonna head straight down, put the battery on. I actually need to sort out those terminals and then give you guys that first start for the end of today's video. Let's go. Crazy. Yeah, cold start sounds good. And I'm happy with it. We're getting ready for Rockmania. Just got a few more things to sort out. Stay tuned for all of the upcoming videos. Rockmania is going to be sick next weekend. I hope to see you guys there on the 8th of July. And then I might be at German versus Jeff for something really special. Let's just see if I can pull it off. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe. And until the next one, keep well, keep boosting.